Okay, everyone, in this video I'm going to share to all of you about how to make a swimming pool bench in Sketchup. Okay, first of all we have to make a basic shape with rotated rectangle. We can select this, then we can place on this origin, and we can set the length of the swimming pool bench itself. Maybe we can set around 2000 millimeter, and then we can set the height of the swimming pool bench around 900 millimeter. Okay, and then we can push it up with any size of the head, maybe uh, like this, and then we can make it group. Okay, and then we can make the basic shape of this swimming pool bench. Okay, we can use this 2-point arc anyway, or maybe we can use this line first. Okay, we can draw it in this line, and we can draw it anyway. Okay, like this. And then we can adjust the curvy of the each line connection. Okay, we can use a 2-point arc anyway, and then we can delete some unnecessary line, or we can make it more smoother than before. Okay, and after that we can push it. We can offset it outside. We can offset it around maybe we can offset around 80 millimeter, and then we can set the close line over there. We can set the close line in here. Then we can rotate it. Rotate tool we can place on from this corner. We can rotate it anyway. Okay, and then we can delete unnecessary object, and we can push it to the another side around 900 millimeter. Or maybe if we wanna make it more longer, we can just select this and push it up just a little bit, or as you want anyway. And okay, it's enough. And then we can triple click with left click, right click, and make group. And then we can assign it with the material as we want. For example, we can assign it with the concrete material anyway. And okay, and then we can add more smooth material with the triple click of this object, entering the group, and select this line. We can select this curve line and curvy line like this, and then we can edit, copy, and exit from the group, and then we can edit, paste in place, so it will be placed in here outside the group, but it's still on the origin position. And then we can offset it outside around, maybe we can set the thickness around 50 millimeter, and then we can close the basic shape. So this shape are using for the cushion material anyway. And then you can push it up. You can push it up to make a smooth press. Then you can push it more again. Anyway, you can push just a little bit more inside. Then you can push a little bit more inside also. Then you can make it more smoother with a 2-point arc. Just a little bit first for this corner, and then you have to push it until the limit. And also this, you can make a little bit arc in the corner, and then push it back until the limit also. And you can repeat the method with another side of this cushion material. Okay, you can push it to the back until the limit. And also this, just simple and a little curvy on the corner, and push it back until the limit, just a double click, so it will be automatically push. Okay, and then we can triple click, right click, and make group. and we can select the another fabric as we want. Maybe we can select this, and also we can select another fabric to make it more better look than before. Okay, I think it's enough. Or maybe we can add a base plane with a rectangle, and we can place on here, and we can push it down and make group, and we can select the cladding siding option. Maybe we can select this to make it more representative. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope you will get a lot of benefit from this, and wait for my next video. Thank you.